5 ways to boost your credit score fast and how to keep them there. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to apply for a loan, a mortgage, or even a credit card, you probably know how stressful it can be when your credit score isn't where it should be. But don't worry today. I'm going to show you simple, proven strategies to boost your credit score fast. Whether you're starting from scratch or trying to recover from mistakes, these tips will help you see real improvements, sometimes in as little as 30 to 60 days. So stick around, because you don't want to miss these hacks that banks and lenders don't really tell you about. First, let's quickly cover what actually makes up your credit score. It's usually based on 5 main factors: your payment history, which makes up 35% of the score, your credit utilization at 30%, the length of your credit history at 15%, your credit mix at 10%, and new credit inquiries at another 10%. Once you understand what lenders care about, you can make changes that move the needle fast. One of the quickest wins is lowering your credit utilization. If your cards are maxed out, pay them down below 30% of the limitedly under 10%. Even just paying one card down can bump your score within weeks. Another smart move is to ask for a credit limit increase if you can't pay off debt right away. Calling your credit card company to raise your limit instantly lowers your utilization without spending a dime. Next, set up autopay for your bills. Late payments crush your score, and even one that's 30 days late can tank it. So automating your payments ensures you'll never miss one again. You can also boost your score by becoming an authorized user on someone else's account, like a family member with strong credit. Their positive history can reflect on your report and give you a quick bump. And don't forget to check for errors on your credit reporter. About 1 in 5 reports has mistakes like wrong late payments or duplicate accounts. You can get a free copy at Annual Credit Treat, COM, and file disputes, and fixing even one error can add 20 to 50 points. Now, while boosting your score fast is great, the real key is maintaining it long term. Always keep balances low. Don't close old accounts because they help your credit history. Apply for new credits sparingly and aim for a healthy mix of accounts like a credit card and an installment loan. This shows lenders you're reliable over time. Before we wrap up, let's bust a couple of myths. Checking your own score does not hurt it. Closing accounts doesn't erase debt and can actually hurt your score. And carrying a balance is not good for your score. Pay it off. Your score will thank you. So there you have it. 5 powerful ways to improve your credit score fast, plus the habits to keep it high forever. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips on money, credit, and financial freedom, and drop a comment below letting me know your biggest struggle with credit right now. I'll be replying to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and remember, your credit score doesn't define you, but improving it can definitely change your financial future. Now let's dive into how you can boost your credit score fast. Tip number 1, pay your bills on time. I cannot stress this enough. Payment history is 35% of your score, so being even one day late can hurt you. Set up autopay to avoid missing due dates or calendar reminders, but make sure you have enough funds to cover your bills. On-time payments help you build trust with lenders. Showing your reliable missed or late payments show otherwise damaging your score. Even one late payment can lower it 100 points. That's a big hit. So prioritize payments, manage your cash flow, and build that positive payment history. It may take some budgeting adjustments, but keeping track of due dates and paying promptly makes a massive difference in building a great score. Tip number 2, lower your credit utilization. High credit usage signals to lenders that you may rely heavily on credit, which is risky. Aim to keep your credit usage under 30% of your total credit limit, ideally below 10. To lower your credit usage, pay down balances quickly. A high percentage of your available credit being used can negatively impact your score. When you use a larger portion of your available credit, it signals to lenders that you may be carrying a heavy debt load, which can increase the risk in their eyes. This is known as your credit utilization ratio. Try to keep it below 30%. For example, if you have a credit card with a limit of $1,000 and a balance of $300, your credit utilization would be 30%. It's best to keep this number low on each of your cards and overall. In addition to lowering credit usage, also aim to pay your credit card balances in full each month to avoid paying interest charges. If that's not possible, consider making multiple payments throughout the month to keep usage down. You can also ask for a higher credit limit, This can help lower your credit utilization ratio by increasing your available credit. Just be cautious of a potential increase in your minimum payment as well. Keeping a low credit utilization ratio is one of the most effective ways to improve and maintain a good credit score. It shows lenders that you can manage your credit responsibly, and it helps build trust, leading to better terms on loans, credit cards, and other financial products. Tip number 3, become an authorized user. If you have a family member or a trusted friend with good credit, ask them to add you as an authorized user on their credit card or loan. This allows you to benefit from their good credit history, which can help boost your credit score, especially if your credit history is thin or limited. As an authorized user, your name will be associated with the primary cardholder's account, and their positive payment history will be reflected on your credit report. The primary cardholder's behavior will affect your score because it's tied to their account. And since your score is calculated based on your history, this can quickly improve it. However, if the primary cardholder has a poor credit history, it can negatively impact your score. So choose an authorized user wisely. When approaching a family member or friend to become an authorized user, have an open conversation about credit history and responsible use. It's essential to ensure that they have a good track record of on-time payments and low credit utilization. You can ask for their credit card statement or check their credit report to assess their creditworthiness. Make sure you both understand the benefits and risks involved and agree on the terms. It's crucial to establish clear communication and set expectations. Discuss how you plan to use the credit card and agree on how you'll handle payments and credit limits. By openly discussing these aspects, you can foster a stronger relationship and ensure a more successful experience as authorized users. Be sure to follow all 3 steps above and let us know in the comments which tip helped you the most. If you want more tips on improving your credit score, be sure to check out our video on the best credit cards for building credit. We'll see you next time.